and your girl is in the Dollar Tree. Ours is $1.50 and more over here in Canada, as you can see. But I saw these planters, these planter pots. Aren't they cute? So I said, let me pick up some of those, and I'm going to do a DIY to share with you all. So let's get started. Alright everyone, here's the items that I got, the planter pots, and some more little knickknacks here that we're going to use to help decorate our pots. Alright, so we have our 2 pots here, and I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue the 2 pots together to make one. Okay, so now our pots are glued together. I'm going to use some of these stones here. I got this one from Dollarama, but you can also get them in Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has them in a bag. Dollarama has them in this container here, so I bought them at Dollarama. So I'm just going to use some hot glue, and we are going to glue the stones going right around the center of our, what do we call it now? Our little vase that we made, or a planter's pot. Hey you all, I'd like to say welcome. I'm your host, Petalisbless. And if this is your first time coming on to see my DIYs, I'd like to say a special welcome to you and to my oldies and my goodies. Oh, you know I appreciate you guys so much. You're always coming back and supporting your girl, and I really appreciate it. Also in today's video, I'd like to share with you guys a bag I got from Antmall.ru. I got one of their Prada top handle bags, and I'll share that with you guys a little bit later in the video. Okay, now I have these larger stones here that I'm going to add to the small stones we already have going around the middle parts of our planter set. I'm just going to use the hot glue and glue them down just to add some more texture to our design. So now I'm finished adding the large stones. So I am just going to take some white spray paint, and I'll take it outside and spray paint the vase all over. And while I'm waiting for the pot to dry, I'm going to share with you what I got from Antmall.ru. Okay, here is what the bag came in. This, what they called it, dust bags, to help keep your bag clean when you are not using it. You could store it in these bags. Okay, let's open it and see what we got. Ooh, doesn't that look nice so far? With the big Prada on the front. Let's take out the stuff from the inside. And there's some things inside too. Okay, so it has these straps here. And this little pack of cards, I think telling you what you have inside, a little bit about your bag. And then we have the strap for the bag. Nice and sturdy strap. It has the Prada sign on the strap too. And I love the gold hardware. Very nice. Nice strap. And it's adjustable. And it has this little pouch thing here. So I guess you can hold like your lip gloss, your lipstick, your sanitizer, any little extra item you want to hold on the outside of your bag. This is super cute. And here we go. That's the front, and this is the back and the sides. And inside, very spacious. There's a pouch on this side, or a pocket I should say. And then a zipper pocket on this side. And very nice, very spacious. And here I just have my daughter showing you how the bag will look once you're holding it. And I think it looks really nice wearing it crossbody. I like how it looks this way. So here is another overall view of our bag. I think it looks lovely, and it's the Prada top handle bag. I think it's a nice bag that you could use for every day, to carry your items in, or even to dress up and have it for when you're stepping out to a nice little function. I think it looks lovely. I will leave a link below to antmall.ru so you guys can go over and check out their site. They have lots of lovely items on there for you to choose from, but I will leave their link below so you guys can go check them out. Okay, now our vase slash pottery is all dry. So I'm gonna come in with some of this GLAM ribbon here from BB Craft, and we are going to use some hot glue and help decorate our pot. So we finished with our GLAM ribbon. Now we are going to add some of our GLAM chain that again I got from BB Craft. A link below to all the products I'm using will be down in the description box, and I'll be using some Gorilla Glue to help glue our chain going right around our vase slash planter pot. And here is our finished look. I love how it turned out. A nice and easy vase slash planter pot using the dollar store pots that we picked up and adding some added bling items to it. And we have a lovely piece of decor. Like I was saying, if you can put a plant in it, it would be very nice. I don't have no greenery at all. I well wanted to show you guys how it would look, but the greenery would look lovely in this vase also, and you can place it anywhere throughout your home, or even on your patio, your front or back porch for this spring slash summer season. And here it is with some flowers inside. And you know, you could put any flowers of your choice, whatever your decor color is, and display this anywhere throughout your home, or gift it as a gift to a loved one. You know, it's a beautiful vase using the planting pots that you can get from the Dollar Tree. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today, and I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's video and leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.